This is Tony Baca, Senior Vice President of Safety at Berglund Construction Company. And this week's safety talk is on tele-equipment, lulls per se, training. And what we have here today is we have 14 Berglund operators that are at one of our third-party vendors, and they're already done the classroom and test for the Lull operations, and now they're going to do a walk-around inspection, and then each and every one of them will have to show the instructors here the capabilities of them knowing how to lift objects, operate this machine in a safe manner. Now, this is an ongoing training that Berglund offers annually to make sure that when we hit our peak seasons, typically, early spring and midsummer to late fall, we have certified operators on our equipments. We do not want uncertified operators on Berglund equipment anytime. And it's politically correct for these gentlemen not only to attend, these tradesmen to attend this training today, but for those who haven't attended this training today, the unions, their respective unions, also offer this type of training. And remember, this is a motorized piece of equipment. So what are we looking for? You want to show up in the morning, you want to do a walk-around inspection, making sure that the tires aren't flat and that anything's not leaking, anything of that nature. You want to make sure that the logistics that you're taking this thing from point A to point B are politically correct as far as not being unstable with big potholes. You want to be able to inspect this machine, you want to be able to operate this machine, and if the machine is showing signs of any type of failure during the inspection, we need to call the distributor or our shop, if it's one of our shop units, and take it out of service. Caught between pinch buy is one of the leading obstacles operating this equipment, but also overhead power lines and electricity. There was some shared stories this morning amongst this group about the operator having so many blind spots as he's operating this piece of machine, and that the very tradesmen working in the vicinity of this machine need to make their presence known. And as you know, our policy is high-vis vests, and to be able to communicate with the operator when you're working in the vicinity of this lull. It can be very dangerous. So this week, share some stories on the job sites about your experience of being trained on these lulls. Let's have a safe day, and let's have a safe week. Thank you.